Okay, so in today's video we're going to go over the daily Overwatch examples. I've already done an example of this previously, but I've just got some annotations written up, and I mean, look at this, you can see the power here. Okay, so from this previous move down, which was sometime back in the start of April, we had this move underneath, almost like a monthly inside bar formation. We've broke down the underside of the high tide here. Okay, so break down under the high tide, scalper, and then held up. So I've been over this kind of area a few times in the videos. But the thing to take away is one, the scalper's broken, so obviously there's going to be some profits taken, and then we're down below this high tide level. Now, as this high tide level, it's come kind of retested the underside of that and then broken down below. So whether it's entered there, scaled in, whatever, it doesn't really matter. But the point is that I'm not a big shorting guy. I'm just simply going to sell out my Bitcoin, move it into some fiat or USDT, DAI, what have you, and just wait. Okay, so a good move could be to move that fiat stable coin, what have you, and take in a short position there, leveraged if you're up for that. And yeah, so we've had to move down and then come back up, retested these areas, but I'm not going to go over the details of the Trend Master price action. This is simply the power of this. So got some details loaded up here with regards to the Trend Master, but really what we're looking at is this pane at the bottom here. So we've got this white line, which is the Overwatch, and then the EMA of the Overwatch, which is crossed to the downside. Okay, now this is what everybody wants, is the cross. When it crosses, you enter. Okay, and this is it. So crosses, you enter on this candle, what have you. Okay, you can see on that candle it's crossed to the downside, and you'll be exactly at this red circle. Okay, so the trade is entered here, it moves down. Okay, now the maximum move down here, 41.44%. Look at that, absolutely big move, big move. And then we've kind of gone sideways, Mo's gone up and exited. The reason why we exited is because this one has crossed to the upside. Now I'm just talking about this cross here. Nothing about Overwatch boundary penetrations, um, Trendmaster details, etc. This is just simple. So what I've got here is the maximum profit, which is 41%. You can see from this big red area, and then you've got the automated profit. But what is the automated profit? It means if this is programmed as an automated strategy where this is entered into a short position when it crosses to the downside and crosses to the upside, it enters a long position or reverses the position or what have you. We're not even talking about trailing stop losses or this type of stuff. This is just raw in, out, reverse, etc. So what we got, 32.5% automated profit. Lovely. Now here, as you can see, Trendmaster to the downside, everything to the downside. So taking a trade against the trend here, we have an 11% move, or near thereabouts. But then after we have this sideways consolidation, what have you, and then it breaks back down. So details, 11% max profit there. But if this was automated, you'd get -2%. Okay, cool. So your previous trade's 32%. You've lost 2%. You're still 30% up until the next move. So this is a good one because obviously everything's to the downside here, and we've got this cross. We get the cross, and then a 38% move comes in from that cross. So crazy. So 38% move, but then the next signal that's come in, we've ended up with 31%. Okay, great. Now this particular move is going to be a nice one because we've had this boundary penetration and then we're coming up. So almost similar to this previous one here, but we didn't quite get that move. And then we have got that move. So as you can see, it's crossed and carried on all the way up. And we've had a maximum move of 27% against trend amazing. And we nailed that on the nose. I mean, the exit was literally on the nose, and you can see the underside test of that low tide there. So automated trade 17.5%, and then we've had another signal come in to the downside, 16.73% move, and currently running at around 13%. Okay, so some powerful examples there of the Overwatch, and when it's used in tandem with the Trendmaster, and when you know what you're looking at, killer. Okay, all the best, and that's me done. I'm out. Goodbye.